Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'll show you how to calculate range in Excel. In statistics, the range simply means the difference between the largest value and the smallest value in a set of numbers. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Understanding the data. Here, I've got a list of NBA players along with their points per game. I want to find the range of these values. Basically, the highest score minus the lowest score. Step 2. Build the formula. I'll click into cell S2 and start with an equal sign. The formula is equals max left bracket L2 colon L30 right bracket minus min left bracket L2 colon L30 right bracket. Let me read that aloud clearly. Equals max left bracket L2 colon L30 right bracket minus min left bracket L2 colon L30 right bracket. What this does is find the maximum value in column L, subtract the minimum value in the same range, and give us the difference. Step 3. The result. I'll press Enter, and Excel tells me the range. Step 4. Why this is useful. In this example, we only have about 30 rows. But imagine a dataset with 10,000 rows. With this formula, you don't have to manually scan anything. Excel instantly calculates the range for you. And that's it, a quick and simple way to calculate range using max and min. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell so you'll be notified when I post new tutorials.